1 hour with a lawyer here in Germany is going to set you back at least $300, but a full dispute, we're talking 3 to 5,000 euros. And the worst part is, if you lose the dispute, you're going to also have to pay for the other side's lawyer. Yet legal insurance starts at just 300 euros a year. Sounds like a no-brainer, right? Well, maybe, maybe not. That's what we're going to try and answer in today's video. Now you're wondering, what does legal insurance cover? When will it cover the costs of my legal disputes? Well, I've come up with this acronym that I like to call PTEC that refers to 5 main categories where legal insurance becomes active. The P is for private matters. Think contract disputes, maybe with your gym regarding a cancellation period. The T in PTEC stands for traffic law. If you obtain any unjust tickets, or maybe you have to pay damages as a result of an accident, you may use your legal insurance to try and justify your standpoint and get these convictions overturned in a court of law. The E in PTEC stands for employment law, meaning if you have any disagreement with your employer and you want to take them to court, for example, they fire you unjustly or they are not upholding any parts of your employment agreement, then you can take them to court and legal insurance would ensure that your costs for this dispute are covered. C stands for criminal defense. If you are wrongly accused, please note, wrongly accused of any wrongdoing, then legal insurance can kick in and cover all of your legal fees. And finally, the H in PTEC stands for housing and rental issues. So if, for example, you have a dispute with your neighbor or maybe with your landlord who's withholding your caution, legal insurance would cover the costs associated with those disputes in a court of law. Unfortunately, legal insurance is not the end-all be-all of legal disputes. There are some cases where it wouldn't apply. For example, it's not going to apply to any divorce settlements. You will not be able to use your legal insurance to cover the lawyer fees when you're divorcing your significant other. Any intentional crimes would also not be covered by legal insurance because legal insurers are not in the business of protecting criminals. And finally, there are waiting periods that apply to virtually all of the different areas of coverage of legal insurance because legal insurance does not cover pre-existing legal conditions, and having a waiting period anywhere between 30 to 180 days can ensure that people don't sign up for legal insurance just after they realize they really need it.